Alliance Credit Union was chartered in 1968 by a small group of Emory University employees. Built on the philosophy of people helping people, today we proudly serve the financial needs of the university's staff, faculty, and its affiliated organizations, Emory Healthcare, and people in the surrounding community. Our members continue to experience the stability, safety, security, and superior service that are central to our mission. As much of the banking world continues to operate in distress, we are pleased to report that your credit union ended 2010 on sound financial footing. The credit union continues to lend and to offer a safe place for our members' savings. We continue to build on our tradition of providing friendly service and quality financial products as we adapt to the changing financial climate and use technology to enhance and improve our members' experience and save money and resources.
I think the most significant event of 2010 was the conversion to the new computer system.
We wanted to have systems that supported robust growth in our products and our services and ways to meet our members' needs in a better, more consistent way.
We can tailor our products and services to meet our members' needs. It promotes efficiency.
I think our conversion was probably, a typical conversion. I mean, there were a lot of good things that happened, and there were, some difficult times. We were long overdue for a change, and we need to do new software to help us to be able to interface with emerging technologies and expand our product lines and things like that.
But it was a difficult time, and we believe we've gone past the difficult parts of the conversion.
It wasn't easy, but we all got through it, and we've got a better product because of it.
We feel comfortable that everything is getting back to routine, and again, I have to commend the members for being so patient.
Increased automation has enhanced our loan application process, and by switching to an optical data storage system, we've reduced our environmental footprint and cut our paper costs. Other behind-the-scenes improvements happened this year as well. Moving our administration and accounting office to a smaller space on Claremont Avenue that's just down the block from our main office is saving us money on rent and courier fees. In October, we expanded our ATM network with the addition of an ATM at the new Emory University bookstore on Oxford Road. We've also retooled our ATM communications network, which now operates on DSL instead of dial-up, to provide faster service and shorter transaction times at less cost. All in all, we reduced operating expenses by 6% in 2010. We remain well capitalized and have maintained high asset quality throughout these difficult financial times. Unlike many of our bank peers, we are not overburdened by non-performing loans, and due to the tremendous confidence placed in us by our members, we continue to experience above-average growth in deposits. Total assets increased last year as well. The credit union industry as a whole experienced negative loan growth in 2010 as members continued the trend of saving more and borrowing less. Emory Alliance Credit Union experienced similar results, showing a decrease in total loans. Net worth, the credit union's cushion against hard times, remains strong at 7.2% of assets. Current period earnings continue to be impacted by the effects of the National Credit Union Administration Temporary Corporate Stabilization Fund Assessment and the National Credit Union Share Insurance Fund Premium, which together totaled $275,201. These assessments are mandatory for all federally insured credit unions and are expected to continue for several more years. Further financial details and the Treasurer's report are available in the printed annual report.
When we needed a loan to purchase a car, we walked in and the gentleman that we spoke to literally knew our names as we walked in.
When you go to the credit union, you see the same familiar faces, and my best experience thus far has been with the mortgage department.
I think some of the areas that we would like to promote with our members that are underutilized would be the mortgage loans. It is a difficult market, but we're still making mortgage loans.
As far as the processing of the loans and the paperwork are concerned, I think we do a very good job at keeping that to a minimum for our members.
We weren't really sure what the process was, but just decided to take a look at the website, gave Adrian a call and he made it a very pain-free process.
One of the things that I do is I try to make sure that our members totally understand the process and are comfortable with the process before they get to closing.
And like I said, you're always just dealing with one person, so it's very streamlined.
I think the majority of our business comes from referral by doing a good job for each individual member.
We have a car finding service here, Car Solutions. They do an excellent job.
I negotiate the price, I appraise their trade, I bring the vehicle over to the credit union so they can test drive it stress-free, and hopefully get them the best deal that they can possibly get, and also save them a lot of time and a good deal of headache too.
I find the experience much easier and relaxing than working with a dealership. Before I knew about the credit union services, we would go directly to the dealership and we would be there at least half a day.
People are very conscious on how much money they spend, especially on automobiles. And they don't really have time to go to every dealership to shop around the best price, and that's how I can help them the most.
When she comes back to the price, that's the price. There's no all this back and forth. She tells you what the price is and you go from there.
A lot of people do not know that we do accept trade-ins. We are exactly the same as a full functioning dealership.
I think going through her with all her connections too, you know, with all the different dealerships and all, she's able to find us better deals.
Car Solutions has a very supportive management staff that help us locate vehicles by going to the auction and purchasing vehicles for us.
We did not have any credit when we arrived in the United States, and they facilitated us with cash money in order to purchase a vehicle.
We also have Mike Butts. He's our investment, I wouldn't say planner, he's our members' financial services representative. He can help members with their retirement needs. If they want to invest money outside of the credit union, they can do that through Mike as well. He does an excellent job.
By far, the largest portion of my business and what I do for the members is in the area of retirement investing and retirement planning for income.
For those that are tired of the large mentality, they want to be a part of something smaller, something more personal, I think credit unions would appeal to them, and we offer really all the services that they can get at larger banks, hopefully with a little friendlier service, lower fees, and a little better interest rates on loans.
I would recommend the credit union any day, anytime, if I was ever asked to.
I absolutely love the credit union, have been a credit union member for over 20 years and absolutely love it.
What I like to say about the credit union is everyone should bank with the credit union. They are wonderful.